It's no secret that wages have not kept up with the cost of living. Statistia reports that, since April of 2021, inflation has been outpacing wages in the United States. And when you think about how the cost of living is already significantly higher than it was just 3 years ago, this compounds the problem. Then, throw in the fact that a Milken Institute survey found only 57% of Americans would be considered financially literate, and a bleaker picture of America's financial shape appears. However, the good news is that, even in an economy that is still in a recession, it is still possible to improve your financial situation. In fact, Americans who refuse to go into debt save themselves, on average, $5,474. The average American has thousands of dollars in just credit card debt alone. Now, you may be thinking, so what? Doesn't everyone use a credit card? Well, yes, but using a credit card to pay for things is a horrible investment. For instance, the Federal Reserve notes that the current interest rate on a credit card is 20.4%. That means, for every dollar borrowed, if you don't pay it back, it costs an extra 20 cents. So a $12 Walmart shirt now becomes $15, and a $50 grocery bill now becomes $60. You can see how simple, everyday purchases can amount to thousands of dollars in interest for the credit card company, robbing you of your hard-earned savings. By avoiding credit card debt altogether, the average person saves $5,474, which is the average credit card balance of those in credit card debt. So what are some ways to make sure you don't go into credit card debt? For starters, your current job might be underpaying you. With the advent of job search websites such as Indeed and Monster, you can compare your job to others and see if anyone is hiring. If you find out that most jobs in your field are currently hiring at $35 an hour, and you're getting paid $30 an hour, then you should consider applying everywhere you can and giving yourself an instant raise of $5 an hour. This amounts to a raise of over $10,000. But even if it is as little as $1 an hour difference in pay, that still amounts to an instant raise of $2,080. You could also sign yourself up for recruiter networks and have someone else do all the legwork for you of finding a prospective employer. On LinkedIn, many recruiters are actively looking for qualified candidates to ship resumes off to potential employers. By contacting these job recruiters, they will be doing all the work for you, and you simply reap the rewards of finding a better job. It's like job security and instant raises on autopilot. However, if you need to pay off debt quick, another strategy is to accept a job with a signing bonus. While 2021 and 2022 were the golden years where signing up to work at a Wendy's could mean an instant $3,000 in your bank account, some companies still offer signing bonuses which will give you some quick cash. This cash can be used to pay off that nagging debt, which will then enable your bank account to grow much faster. Another way to live debt-free is to make a good budget. Unless you're living significantly above your means, nothing is truly unaffordable. By saving up for things in advance, you don't have to worry about the interest payments. Plus, the beautiful thing about budgeting is that it can allow you to have scheduled upgrades on all your things. Imagine getting a brand new 4K or even 8K TV in just 2 years, and not having to pay a single cent of interest on it. With budgeting, you can tell your money what you want to do with it, and you can buy whatever you want. One more helpful tip is to aggressively look for the cheapest bargain for everything you are about to spend money on. Websites like Groupon regularly have coupons for expensive services like oil changes, lawn care, and more. And if you feel like going out to eat, consider picking a restaurant that is offering a competitive coupon, so you save some extra dough while having fun. Furthermore, barcode scanning apps like the ones from Essential Apps or Rucksap Mobile Development allow you to scan a barcode and see the price around the internet, so you know where you can buy it for cheap. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider supporting me at buymeacoffee.com/morningwoe.